In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove OneDrive from your PC. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Just first, keep in mind, once you do remove OneDrive, you're not going to be able to access those files that are stored within there. But if you do have that in mind and you're ready to get rid of it, go ahead and go to the bottom right corner of your screen and find this little OneDrive icon. Go ahead and hover over it and select it to open up a page that looks like this. In the pop-up, choose the gear icon to open up your settings. And from within here, what you're going to want to do is actually select the account tab over in the left and then choose unlink this PC. This is going to disconnect OneDrive for your computer. To fully uninstall it, you're going to first want to do that and then click on the search icon down at the very bottom and type in remove programs and then hit enter. And then from within here, go ahead and in this search section, type in OneDrive. Find this Microsoft OneDrive option, click these three dots, and then hit uninstall. Overall, it really is as simple as that. OneDrive is now going to be gone from your PC. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.